Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. As you know, we are at term 2 syllabus and we completed chapter 11 reading, explanation, question answers, and exercise B. Question answers in our fair notebook and exercise B in our textbook, and think and answer also in our textbook. I hope you all completed that work. I hope all you remembered this story what we read we are reading from last 3 days. So this is our historical story, means it's about our history, that is about Maharana Pratap Singh, son of Uday Singh, ruler of Mewar. Mewar is at Rajasthan and its capital was Chittor. Chittor was captured by Mughals. That time Maharana Pratap Singh made a promise to their people he will get back one day Chittor back. For that he struggled, he did all his effort for get it back till his last breath. When he was 28 years old, that time Chittor was captured by Mughal, and after that his father was died. So Maharana Pratap Singh had become king. When he became a king, that time he made a oath, that was he will get a Chittor one day back. Then along with that he made two promises, that were when he will not get back his Chittor, till that time he will eat food on leafy platter and he would be sleep on floor. These two oaths he took for his Chittor when he became a Maharana, means Raja. So in that time he also requested his army or his people of Chittor. He requested they have to support him to get back Chittor. On that time his people also made a promise they will fight until their last breath. So their people also, army also made a promise to help him till their last breath. After all this, he struggled and he prepared his army day and night to fight against the Mughal. He made a strong army force, and one day they met at Haldi Ghati. I send you a pic of Haldi Ghati, where it is and what is the history of Haldi Ghati. In front of large army of Mughals. Mughals had a large score of army. In front of that army, it's a small one. Then also they fought in front of them very bravely. Okay. Then that time that Mughal army was led by Man Singh. So sorry. So Raja Man Singh was leading Mughals army. His elephant injured Maharana Pratap and his horse Chetak. So, in front of Mughals' large army, Maharana became injured and his horse Chetak also became injured. That time, when they both are injured, that time Mughal army was surrounded by Maharana Pratap was surrounded by a Mughal army. That time Chetak knew that I have to save my master. So that Chetak horse carried his master and swiftly means he ran fast to the safer place far from the fighting area. Okay. When he felt it's safe for my master, he he stopped his running and he saved his master, and Chetak took his last breath. Means Chetak was died there. Okay. After that, Aravalli Mountains is a mountains at Rajasthan and Gujarat border near Haldigati. So that Mughal army chased him till there. Then also Maharana Pratap Singh made a mud hut in Aravalli Hills, and he spent his heartful life at Aravalli Hills with his family. Okay. For what? He want to take back his Chittor from the Mughals. One day what happened? His daughter was having her food. That Aravalli Hill was surrounded by wild animals. In that field, that area also, they were living because of Mughals. Because Mughals were chasing them, so they want to save their life and they want to save their city, means Chittor. So he hid in the Aravalli Hills. That time his daughter was having food. Wild animal took her food from her hand. So that time she started crying. That time Maharana Pratap felt very bad. I have to give up now. I have to surrender in front of the Mughals. So no one will get a struggleful life and hardful life. We will live with happily at our place under the Mughals. But big moment he thought that he have to give up, but after that he remembered his promise. What was his promise? He will take back one day Chittor back. Okay, his promise was that. So he spent a very hardful life at Aravalli Hills. Then again and again he continued fighting with the Mughals. Then he get a large part of Chittor from the Mughals. When he was 57 years old, that time Maharana Pratap was seriously injured by hunting. His hobby was hunting. All of you know that. In history, you will know all king, Raja, Maharaja have that great hobby. They have to move in jungles. They hunt the wild and big animals at that forest. It's a proud moment for them. But nowadays, you read at our last chapter, it's a illegal activity. Hunting is a illegal activity nowadays. Is it, remember all of you? Yes. But that time, it's a hobby of all Raja Maharajas. Every time they will time pass, spend time at forests and they will hunt many animals. Okay, at that time, Maharana Pratap was injured. He knew it, he will not live long after this. So, that time he called his son. What is his son name? His son name is Amar Singh. So, he called his son Amar Singh and he take a promise from him that he will continue fighting with the Mughals. For what? For saving their people and get back Chittor, and Maharana Pratap take his last breath. Okay, he died after getting a promise from his son Amar Singh. It's a story of about chapter number 11. Before starting this story, we read about Robert the Bruce of the King's Scotland. He learnt a lesson from Spider, that was try until you reach your goal, but don't cry. Try but don't cry. Okay, that was your inspiring warm-up activity at your chapter number 11. I hope you all completed these hard words. That hard words are eldest important kingdom, Rajasthan, capital Chittor, little prince, brave, kind boy, interested, sports, training, weapons, learning, languages, brave, became, great, soldier, leader, then nobles. Okay. Support, promise, fulfilled, fight, armies, Haldigati, larger, strength, army, bravely, charge, injured, surround, master, carried, swiftly, fighting, hurt, leaped, wide, beautiful, garden, officers, court, admired, greatly, prince, captured, death, trained, against, inspired, determination, until, brave, brothers, Ravli mountains, danger, constant, snatched, dinner, princess, wonder, remember, promise, large, settle, peacefully, happily, seriously. These are hard words of our chapter 11. Now come to the scene passage 1. That scene passage 1 is Maharana. Scene passage 1 is Pratap Singh was the eldest son of Maharana Uday Singh, the ruler of Mewar. Mewar was an important kingdom in Rajasthan with its capital at Chittor. The little prince was a brave, kind boy. He was more interested in sports and training with the weapons than doing some learning. He was more interested in sports and training the weapons than doing sums or learning languages. Okay, this is the scene passage 1 from our chapter 11. Now, answer these questions. Answer the following questions. Who was Pratap Singh? Pratap Singh was the elder son of Maharana Uday Singh, who was the ruler of Mewar. Maharana Uday Singh was the ruler of Mewar. Okay, now this is scene passage 1, page number 9 and page number 10. Come to the Who was brave and kind boy? Maharana Pratap was brave and kind boy. Write two plurals. First one is weapons and sports. Write opposites from the passage. Daughter, son, princess, prince, less, more, girl, boy, big, small. This work you have to complete in your worksheet, page number 9 and 10. You have to complete your scene passage 2 also in your worksheet. Okay, scene passage 2. Which two army met at Haldigati? Two are Mughal army, the Mughal army and Maharana Pratap Singh's army met at Haldigati. Who leading the Mughal army? Man Singh was leading the Mughal army. What was the name of the horse? Name of the horse was Chetak. Okay, this is the scene passage 2. You have to solve in your text worksheet only. Okay, stay safe, be healthy and enjoy your day.